Okay, the trade's ready from today. And let's run through the process of taking the trade. So first of all, what is the context for the day? What we are doing in order to even think about the trades, to get some point of interest. So for me, we are trading in this range here between the Monday high and low, and right now, we failed, or rather we tried to accept above the range highs, failed, tested them, failure again at the range highs, printed lower to the monthly view up. Now the only point of interest I got for longs after not being able to hold the lows there, and printing higher, was either the range lows or the monthly view up. And now you can see we tested the view up multiple times here, so it got some conviction. So here's the context of what is happening actually at these view ups. So what really takes place, as you can see, every time we go lower to the monthly view up level, we are opening new shorts, and actually some decent amounts of them. So first retest here, price going lower, we open actually some amounts of shorts there, basically just at the very extended candles here. Then we have another we have another push lower after actually pushing all the way back and squeezing the shorts. We got another push with another OI rising, so again shorts coming in, and then we squeeze them all. Same with the push here, again another retest, huge amounts of shorts opening, and even more puke. So actually the same stuff keeps happening over and over again, and this time actually pretty much the same thing going on. So this is what was happening at this monthly view ups. So I didn't know this at the time, but this was something I was looking forward to just get some late shorts, some horny shorts coming to the monthly view up level. So that was it. And now how we actually took the trade. There's a couple things, so let's cover them now. Let's go to the lower time frame and run you through everything. So first of all, what I was looking for when I jumped the market was around here. So first, because we left actually pure structuring at these monthly view ups, and we didn't create any tails there or some long wicks or something, I was thinking about getting front run after we pushed after this shallow sweep there. I was thinking here, I could get front run. I don't want to, but also I don't want to beat the top. So what I did was I was waiting for a nice nuke here, maybe taking those lows, some delta getting chopped there. The most important thing for me is the volume and delta with strong price action. So basically you can see here there's rather slow grind to the levels, not really much happening. Then we nuke lower and lower, and at the point we are here, I'm just like, okay, there's no reason to long this here. I mean, we should just sweep the lows. So I was waiting for the lows to get triggered and to wait for some entry triggers here. And now also what is important to cover is the TPO. So first of all, This was, you can say, Asian and London lows here, even though we kind of took out the low there. This wasn't really convincing for me. You can see there's not much of, you know, like extended price action going here. Like if we would do something like this, you know, very strong volume and stuff like this, then fine, but this was definitely not something you would like to trade. Even, you know, you can say it worked out probably on 1 minute or something, you could take this trade, but this is not something I'm interested in taking. So first of all, yeah, session profiles, I harvest a lot of EV from them, and they are really a conviction tool for me, which works very well for me. And the second thing was the normal TPO. You can see here we sweep the lows, but at the time, like for me, this is not a tail. This is a decent tail. It's not that, well, yeah, that's a normal tail here. For example, like this is not a tail, for example. Okay, this is a pure low, but pure high, sorry. But this is a great tail. But at the time here, this wasn't a tail. So, you know, leaving pure lows here, we should really sweep the lows. And like I'm saying, we didn't do this many times, testing those monthly VWAP, this monthly VWAP, but we should do this like here. So we got a lot of levels going on here. So the higher time frame monthly VWAP there, pure lows on the daily profile, and session based profiles telling us that there's a lot of probability that this will mean revert. Okay, so what I want to see at the level is high volume, high delta, and some strong price action. Like, I don't want to see candles like this. I want to see rather candles like this. Okay, like this, but with volume. Okay, yeah, I need the volume to enter the trade. So yeah, you can see here we're sweeping the lows, or rather deviating them. So we nuke there. What is happening? High volume here, high delta, around 500 delta there, getting trapped. Relatively, I think it's a lot for the day. Yes, so it's almost very top of the day right now. Maybe we're printing some more, but overall this is a decent amount to trade. High volume was very high, so that's great. Relative volume, yeah, I mean it dropped below the level. And what is important is also the context of the open interest. So like I said, there are new shorts coming in the market. So once we stall there, we got the lows there, you know, what price will break them, there will probably will be, first of all, longs stops, and second of all, new shorts trading the breakout lower. Okay, this is what you are who you're trading against. This is your fuel for the move, and this is very important to have this in this kind of trades. This is a mean reversion setup, and this is a very important thing to have. The read on the flows, who's in the control, and basically what side is crowded more, because this is your counterparty. So like I said, high delta, very nice one. And when you get in is actually, well, you can wait for either the reclaim of the monthly view up here, so you would enter at this candle, or you just wait for the reclaim of these lows here where I entered. So you trap the shorts there, nuke them all, and there you get the clear path after the reclaim of the point of interest. Overall, very clean trade. This is what you look for. The open interest. I want to cope harder on OI because it shows a lot. You could think watching the delta is the like being an orderful trader or whatever you call it. Watching the delta is the most important, but actually and footprint. But actually, I believe, you use this very not that often, and actually the real positioning and real context comes from the open interest. So that's what you want to trade. That's what you want to be looking at. So yeah, this is the trade review. I posted it also on my Discord, so if you want, join. The community is totally free, so looking forward to have you guys here, to interact with you and build some nice community. See you guys next video.